Flex Rent Payment Review. Is it a legit or a scam? Let's get started. So, Flex Rent is a fintech service, or formerly known as Flex Rent Payment, that lets renters split their monthly rent into smaller installments, paying Flex first and then Flex forwards the full rent to your landlord on time. It is charging a monthly fee of at least $15 to $20 a month, and plus a small percentage fees of up to approximately 1%. So it works well. It has an improved cash flow, and many users appreciate splitting the large rent payments to better align with their paychecks. It also has a credit reporting, which has on-time payments to TransUnion, potentially helping build credit. And it has a widespread support, which is available through many apartment communities, showing landlord confidence. But it has some serious drawbacks, like it has some payment failures, and they have reported that Flex withdrawing funds but failing to pay the landlords. Also have a rapid support, like the customer service is mostly limited to email or chatbots. They also have a surprise balance issue and also has an increased cost, which is roughly to 25 to 30% APR, and they have a potential credit risk, where the service failures have resulted in late rent reported to credit agencies. So, for the pros and cons, well, it is easier to rent the payments, there are frequent app glitches and failures, and possibly the build of credit, but it has a terrible and slow support. So, although it is not a scam and is a legit service with real users and landlord partnerships, it also carries significant risks like the payment system glitches and delayed and has a weak customer support. So if you're considering it, use it only with caution and monitor each month closely and know exactly when Flex withdraws and pays.